Peeps, this is something you don't see all that often at Bempton Cliffs, the Cumbrian Bold Eagle. How the doody peeps, and welcome back to the channel. And something a bit different today. Obviously the last two videos you've seen were on the east coast of Yorkshire, the Yorkshire coast. So yeah, Flamborough Head, around there. So we've come to Bempton Cliffs, and of course the seabirds, mainly the gannets and stuff like that. So yeah, so I've got the 200 to 600 with me. When we first arrived yesterday, took a couple of shots which I'll bob up now for you, and then from today we'll see what we can get. I've got the Osmo Action on top of the camera. I'll try and get some video through the camera as well for you, and of course there'll be quite a few images. So come along and see how we get on with a spot of bird photography. Well, I've taken a few shots so far. I'm on the manual. I'm on f7.1 to f8 and auto ISO, just trying to get them. I've been trying to get a bit of B-roll as well through the camera with the 2 to 600 as well, so I'll pop some of that on, as well as a few shots that I've got so far. But the gannets are all over the place. I am as well trying to get them with a bit of grass in their mouths, because they're still nesting at a minute. Excuse me, that wind's just picking up here, which is ideal because they'll start and float on the wind soon. But yeah, we're going to walk a bit further on, because you can see just up here, it looks like there's quite a few getting the nesting material, so we'll see if we can get any of these from up here. Peeps, we did just get a bit of a swarm of birds just picking loads of nesting out. I can't remember whether I took any B-roll or not on the camera. If I did, I'll pop that up now with a few of these images. But yeah, oh, what a place. I mean, it's a good few years since I've been here, so I'll put the video I did before up. But yeah, it's tricky but thoroughly enjoyable. You see there, about a little bit of B-roll, got into like a little peninsula on this cliff. I'm the only one up at this time, at this side rather. There's one just nesting up to my right hand side that I've been waiting for its partner to come back to, but hasn't arrived yet. But there's been quite a few over here bringing bedding back, so I've been trying to get them flying into the cliff with the wings spread. So yeah, it's a bit like spray and shoot at me, but not, if you know what I mean. Got the tracking on, so I'm tracking them coming in and just taking 4 or 5 bursts at a time. So what I've got so far, the best ones I'll put up now for you, as we'll head a little bit further. This is something you don't see all that often at Bempton Cliffs. The Cumbrian Bold Eagle. Just nestling there in the nettles on the peninsula. There we are. That's its native squawk. As he hits his head against his camera. So yeah. What it was, we've been laying on this banking just here. I've been shooting the gannets coming flying in with the legs and feet out. Got a good half dozen images at least with them coming in with the legs splayed all over and things. But just as I was shooting, Daniel got over the fence and laid at the side of me. And as soon as he laid down, they all flew off. So what we'll do, I'll put the images on, what I've got from down here, because some of these are quite comical. We've walked right to the very end and onto another platform, and the wind must be hitting one of the pinnacles and pushing the birds up, and it's been absolutely, we've been there about an hour. I've shot a bit of B-roll on the camera as well from the 200 to 600, so you'll see a little bit of it, and I'll end the vlog here. We've been here about 6 hours so far and shooting. It's been absolutely fantastic. So I think we all deserve a coffee. Let me just flick you around here. Daz, you showing me something there. Let me just put it through the viewfinder. That'll pick you up.
It won't on that.
Do you see? I don't know if you can see that or not. But yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic. So what I'll do, I'll end with all the final images. I'll end with all the B-roll and stuff like that. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this, please give all a thumbs up. Something a bit different today at Bempton Cliffs while we're on the Yorkshire coast. So yeah, and I'll see you all on the next one. And don't forget to check out the Cumbrian Bold Eagle, as it's now known. See you later on.